In this video, we'll take a closer look at BlueStacks and find out whether this Android emulator is really worth using. The first thing you should know is that BlueStacks is an Android emulator for PC that allows you to run mobile apps and games directly on Windows. This can be especially useful if you want to use apps that are normally designed for smartphones or play mobile games with a keyboard and mouse. One of its main advantages is its compatibility with a wide range of Android games and applications. BlueStacks also includes different tools for configuring controls, adjusting performance, and customizing the experience to suit your computer. It's also important to keep in mind that BlueStacks uses your computer's resources, so performance will depend on factors such as RAM, processor, graphics card, and available storage. If your computer is older or has limited resources, you may experience slower performance or need to lower certain graphics settings. Another useful feature is that we can customize performance from the BlueStacks settings. We can assign a specific amount of RAM and CPU cores, change the resolution, and adjust different settings to find the right balance between quality and performance. As for the disadvantages, BlueStacks can consume quite a lot of system resources, especially when running demanding games. In addition, some advanced features may vary depending on the version of the software and the specifications of your computer. Overall, BlueStacks is a fairly complete option for running Android on PC, but your experience will depend heavily on your computer's hardware and how you configure the emulator. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like for more tutorials, reviews, and comparisons explained step by step.